My name is Paula, and I work as a field coordinator for Mission Without Borders. In winter time, especially December, January, February, sometimes even March, we have minus 20 degrees, also minus 25, and it is very, very cold outside. We also have snow, and our very poor people have it very hard to warm their homes. Wood is very expensive, and they can hardly find some wood to warm their homes. So many of them struggle with this very, very cold weather. Operation Christmas Love for these very poor families and children is really a way in that we can show them that Jesus really loves them. It's a tangible way for them to feel that Jesus loves them. These boxes are very important because some of the people do not have a place to work during the winter time. So most of their money go for wood, because they need to heat their homes with a fire, the wood fire. So they do not have money for their children for the food. So these Christmas love boxes come in a real good time to help them have something on a table during the Christmas time, when everybody likes to enjoy their stay in the house together with the family. And these Christmas love boxes come really at a good time for them to enjoy Christmas and to really feel that Jesus loves them. In the center part of Romania where I live, in the villages, over 70% of the people are very, very poor because they do not have a place to work. They work in the fields, and in the fields, in agriculture, you cannot work but only in summer and autumn. So the rest of the year, they do not have a place to work. Usually the response that we get from the families cannot be described in words. Just the smiles on their faces and the tears in their eyes, and children like 4, 5 ages just grabbing these boxes, knowing that inside is food and sweets, are just undescribable in words. And the first thing that a parent asks, where can I come to the church? Or when can I come to the church? And this is very important for us. It is so important because we love to make them know that they are always welcome to our churches, and they are always welcome to meet Jesus. And we are always open to pray with them. Whenever somebody asks about a church, we are very happy to pray for them. The best thing about my job is loving these children and showing them how much I love you, hugging them and telling them about Jesus, who loves them so much, more than I do. I really would like to thank to all those who support, who donate for Operation Christmas Love, for the very, very poor families and very poor children. We really appreciate you very much, and we wish you Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year to everybody. God bless you.